In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a GitHub repository. But before continuing, if this video does help you out, then consider liking and subscribing to the channel, because I make new videos every single week. Alright, let's continue. So once you open up GitHub, head over to the top left, and then you're going to see this little green button which says New, right next to Top Repositories. Select it. Now the first step is to give your repository a name. And then it's going to say your new repository will be created as that, and then you have to give your repository a description, and the maximum is 350 characters. And then we move on to step 2, configuration. Now here you have to choose the visibility. Do you want to keep the repository private to yourself, or do you want to make it public? So select the drop-down option, then either choose public or private. So when you choose public, anyone on the internet can see this repository. And then you can also add a README. This is a file which is going to be included within the repository. It can be used to provide longer descriptions, so you can toggle that on. And then you can also add .getignore, such as AL, ActionScript, ADA, and so on. And then you can also add in a license. Then once you're ready, choose Create Repository. So now we have our repository. If you want to add in more files to this repository, head over to the top and choose Add File. Then you can choose Create New File or Upload Files. Then it says you can drag your files here to add them to your repository. And here you can also make some changes to your README file. Head over to the right, then choose this little pencil icon. Then from here, this is going to be our README file. You can open up your notepad and then type in whatever you need to type, and then simply highlight the entire thing, then copy it and paste it into the README file. And then once you're ready, go to the top right, then choose Commit Changes. And it's going to save everything. Go to the bottom, choose Commit Changes. So then you're going to go to Settings up here. You can head over to the left side, then choose Collaborators. Then you can add in people who are going to manage the GitHub repository as well. So if I go back to my account, it's going to show you all your available repositories on the left side over here. And it's that simple. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.